Okay, first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I reached out earlier today and spoke with a gentleman who maybe had a little discontent in his voice. I could feel some frustration there, so I wanted to help out a little bit if I could and just pass this on. I know he said that his wife makes a lot of the decisions and takes care of what's going on here, and I figure if I pass this on and maybe you guys can get something out of it or understand a little bit better what's going on with Google and how your website looks or ranks or gets exposure and generates leads for you to create more business. Again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and I just want to go over a couple key factors that you need to rank your business and get the exposure that you're looking for. Three things that you need are content, backlinks, and citations. So I have your website here. I was looking at it. It's very bright and vibrant. It's nice. I wanted to show you how this works a little bit. So I know you do a lot of handyman work. So I just chose Handyman Apex. I typed this into the Google search bar. Now, just to kind of go over some things, anything that's typed into the Google search bar, as far as Google is concerned, is considered a keyword. And Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search for the criteria, search engine optimization, or also known as SEO. Google crawls millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or the phrases that are being typed in here, and then categorizes those websites. And this is how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So just to kind of cover a little bit, I typed in again, Handyman Apex, and of course we have the map listing here. In the maps, your rank structure within the map reflects your Google business profile, your area of coverage, and it's connected to citations. Anything that's a name, address, and a phone number. Directories for that would include like Yelp and Angie, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. Also having some pictures that pop up along your business profile where you can attach keywords to that reflect the content that's within the website. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place. So if you've ever wondered, how do companies and how do these businesses get their websites on the first page of Google? Keep in mind that most people don't scroll past the first page of Google. So to cover this a little bit, we have Yelp and we have Angie, and it's okay to be in here. That's nice, but consider that when somebody is looking for a handyman and they come into Yelp, you're being diluted with all of the other businesses that are in here. So you're sharing your leads is what they call that. So you don't want to share your leads. You want to be buyer intent and you want it to be specific to your website. So when somebody clicks on your website that's organically ranked here on the first page, they're going straight to you. They're not thumbing through 10 other best handymans. So to kind of put this into a little more perspective, number 3, Apex Handyman, we've got him here, and I have him here listed here. So again, this is your website, and the tool that I use, I have Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes with a business or a website and how well it's ranking. I did say backlinks and content and citations are a major ranking factor. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. And Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. You want to keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. So you wouldn't want necessarily maybe a landscaping or a Pizza Hut reflecting back to your website. It won't carry as much weight as another website that is in the same service industry that you're in. You also want to make sure that your backlink has a strong domain rank and plenty of traffic coming through it. When we have referring domains, other websites that are connected to you, we have the content and the keywords that are on your website determining how much traffic comes through it per month. That being said, as an example, we have him here, number 3, Apex Handyman, and I put him into the same tool. He has 9 backlinks, which, that's fine, and he has 21 keywords driving 12 views a month for traffic. So to get an idea a little bit more of how this kind of plays a role, the keyword or the search that somebody's typing into Google that Google is looking for within a website so that it can establish a rank factor and see that it's being endorsed and its relevancy. You have the keywords and the search volume per month. So maybe tile handyman 100 times, Apex tiles 250, bathroom remodel Apex 30 times. Obviously, tile is a big one here for this particular company. So handyman tile installation 50, handyman carry 250 times, Apex kitchen and bath 300 times a month. So when you add all this up collectively, the total sum creates a lot of opportunity for exposure for you, for your business, for your website, because you have the right content and the right keywords built into that. A lot of companies can build beautiful websites, but sometimes you'll fall short with your content. And it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody can see it. And so you may be asking yourself, I have a website and I just don't understand, why we're not getting any more business or what's going on. It's really important to have a well-built website that's going to drive value and increase your business. So with the correct content and backlinks and citations and keywords, and your Google business profile with your area of coverage, you can create a lot of exposure that way. And this is how the rank structure works for Google and how websites position themselves onto the first page to get the exposure they're looking for customers that are typing into the search bar what they need, home repair or interior painting or whatever the case may be. So I just wanted to share that with you a little bit. Maybe this can help you guys out. Maybe you can have a better understanding of how that works. I don't know if anybody's really ever explained that or if you've got it broken down like that before. So with that being said, again, if you wanted to talk, I'd be more than happy to work with you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video if you stuck through it. And thank you again, and have a nice day.